Hello and welcome back to Mariana in Yucatan. And I'm really excited today to be back with another video talking about some legal tips regarding purchasing a property in Mexico, specifically in Yucatan. But before all, for those ones that don't know me, my name is Mariana Rodriguez. I am a real estate agent, certified real estate agent in Yucatan, as well as an immigration and property lawyer. And my idea with these videos is that you can be able to get legal tips right at home to be able to make a purchase or move to Mexico safe and legal. Please feel free to subscribe if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, push notifications to not miss any of these weekly videos, and let's get right into it. So, we all know that it's really important that before going on with the purchase of a property, we make sure that the property is clean. But I don't mean clean like cleanliness, I more like mean like legal clean. And to be able to help us with this is doing a little bit of a title search, a some people call it a title investigation, in which you're able to know both the legal status of the property today as well as the history of this property. Who is really the owner? Is it really the owner that's selling to you? Is it lien free? Does it have a lien? Any of those in data of information are actually of public access. And today I want to show you how you can search this property or the property of your liking in the public records system online. Now, just a disclaimer, in this video, we are going to see the state of Yucatan. What I love about Merida and Yucatan in general, is that it has a very nice online system in which you can do this research. But for example, going to Quintana Roo to do this research, you might have to go to a lawyer because you have to go to the public registry physically to be able to have these records. So here you can actually search them again from the commodity of your own home and no matter where you are in the world. So let's get to it. You're gonna go to the search engine of your choice and write down consulta in Sejupi. Then you're gonna choose this third option and you're going to press continuar, which means continue. You're gonna choose consult by data of the property, and here you have different options. The tablaje is one of the options if you have this data, it's like the cadastral certificate number or the electronic folio of the property. But if you don't have this, you can also do it through street and number. So in this case, I'm going to choose a random property, Calle 89, number 527, and we're going to choose Merida. It's important to put the right community or city. Once we put consult, we have to see that the location is the correct one. In this case, I know that I'm looking for a property downtown. And then we're gonna click on this lupita or this search button. Once it loads, it's going to show us all the story of this property, literally from the beginning of when they put it in the public records book. But if we go up, I always like to start with the most recent ones, which in this case have a PDF that you can check. So we're going to start by this one, which is a sale. If you open and it says this, don't worry, close it again, go back and reopen. Sometimes the page fails a little bit, but no problem. Go back and open it again. Once this opens, it will give us this information. Now here on top, we can see the electronic folio. So next time you look for the property, you can use this number. We also have that this movement was found in deed 75 of September 10th, 1999, and it was before Notary 90 of the state of Yucatan or City Merida. It was a purchase. And here we find that the owners before, or the actual owners now, are Ramiro Moises Basto Acle, and the owner before this purchase was Pedro Mena Lopez. We also have again the location or address of the property, and we see that it's lien free. That's what that means. It's lien free. There's no loan. There's no money owed. We also have the inscription number. It means it was properly inscribed in the public registry. And this is the information we can see in this first page. If you close it, you have to open it again, no problem. And let's look at some more information. You're going to see right here that there's also another movement that is still valid. Now, if we open it up, we're going to see something called an usufructo vitalicio. Here we see the electronic folio again. We see the deed, which is number 75 of the same year and date before the same notary number 90. We see that the movement is an usufructo vitalicio. And something important to know about this is that this is actually something that is done when, for example, you give a property to, let's say, a son, but as a mother or father, you still want to be able to live on the property and your son not to sell this property. So this is usufructo, means that you have the usage your whole life, and until you die, then legally this passes to your son. This is why it appears as if it had a lien with the word grabado, but it's not because they owe anything on the property or because of a mortgage, it's because you have an usufructo. So to be able to sell this property, both the son and in this case the usufructuaria, which is the lady found in the second document, have to sign. So I hope that this video helped you to know how you can make sure to investigate on a property. And of course, there's a lot of legal terms that you might not be familiar with. So even after going through this, it's always good to get the help of a lawyer or a certified real estate agent to be able to make sure that they accompany you through this process and again, make it safe, legal, enjoyable for you. Please don't forget that if you are looking to invest in Yucatan, contact me on the number down below, send me an email, and let's make your journey into Mexico a reality. Until the next video, ciao, ciao.